Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn wood craft to income. Today, we are exploring the secret to effortless craft ideas. Elevate your space. Effortless does not mean careless. It does not mean simple in a lazy way. Effortless means intentional. It means designs that look natural, feel balanced, and fit perfectly into modern living without overwhelming the room. The true secret behind effortless craft is understanding how to combine simplicity, function, and elegance in a way that feels organic. When someone walks into a beautifully styled space and says, "This feels so calm, so refined, so complete," they are responding to thoughtful craftsmanship. They are responding to proportion, texture, harmony, and detail. Effortless craft ideas are not random projects. They are strategic designs that enhance everyday life while remaining visually light and emotionally inviting. In this narration, we will uncover how to create wooden craft pieces that elevate your home and attract buyers in today's market. From subtle decorative accents to functional furniture with modern appeal, you will discover how to design with clarity, build with purpose, and present your creations with confidence. Let us begin the journey toward effortless design that transforms ordinary spaces into refined living environments. Contemporary wooden design begins with simplicity. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and intentional details define today's aesthetic. Unlike traditional heavy furniture with ornate carvings, modern wooden pieces focus on subtle elegance. A simple wooden coffee table with tapered legs, smooth edges, and a matte finish can command higher value than an overly decorated design. Minimalism does not mean plain, it means purposeful. One of the strongest trends in modern living is multifunctionality. Apartments and homes are becoming smaller, especially in urban areas. This creates demand for space-saving wooden solutions. Consider a foldable wall-mounted desk made from solid hardwood. When closed, it appears as a slim wooden panel with hidden storage shelves. When opened, it transforms into a practical workstation. This type of design serves remote workers, students, and apartment dwellers, a wide target market. Another contemporary concept is modular wooden furniture. Modular shelving systems allow users to rearrange components according to their needs. Wooden cube shelves, interlocking bookcases, and adjustable wall panels provide flexibility. The beauty of modular designs is scalability. Customers can start with one unit and expand later. For you as a craftsman, this means repeat sales and higher lifetime value per client. Natural finishes are also dominating modern interior design. Instead of heavy varnishes, customers prefer matte oils, eco-friendly stains, and light tones that highlight the natural grain. Scandinavian-inspired wooden furniture, for example, uses pale wood, soft edges, and minimalist silhouettes. This aesthetic communicates calmness and clarity, qualities highly valued in today's fast-paced world. Live-edge wooden tables continue to capture attention. By preserving the natural contour of the wood slab, you combine raw, organic beauty with polished craftsmanship. When paired with sleek metal legs, live-edge dining tables create a striking contrast between nature and industrial style. Such hybrid wood-and-metal designs appeal strongly to contemporary buyers seeking bold yet refined statement pieces. Floating wooden shelves are another profitable contemporary item. These shelves appear to float without visible brackets, creating a clean and modern look. They are perfect for living rooms, kitchens, and offices. The installation system must be sturdy and reliable, ensuring both safety and durability. Offering different sizes and finishes allows you to cater to various interior styles. Let us talk about contemporary wooden seating. Modern chairs emphasize ergonomic comfort combined with visual lightness. Bentwood techniques, curved backrests, and slim frames create chairs that look delicate but remain strong. Upholstered seats with neutral fabrics enhance comfort while maintaining a minimalist appearance. Designing stackable wooden chairs for cafes or co-working spaces can also open commercial market opportunities. Storage solutions remain essential in today's lifestyle. Wooden storage benches with hidden compartments are highly functional. They serve as seating and entryways while offering space for shoes or household items. Likewise, wooden bed frames with built-in drawers respond to the need for practical organization in compact bedrooms. The kitchen is another area where contemporary wooden designs shine. Wooden cutting boards with unique geometric patterns, magnetic knife holders, and handcrafted spice racks are small items with high sales potential. These products require less material, lower production cost, and can be sold in larger quantities. Personalized engraving further increases perceived value. Contemporary lighting fixtures made from wood add warmth to modern interiors. Pendant lamps with wooden slats, geometric wooden lampshades, and tripod wooden floor lamps combine function with artistic expression. By experimenting with layered wood patterns and subtle LED integration, you can create lighting that feels both modern and timeless. Sustainability is not just a trend, it is a movement. Customers increasingly value eco-friendly production. Creative and contemporary wooden designs for today's lifestyle prove that craftsmanship continues to evolve. Modern living demands simplicity, functionality, sustainability, and beauty, and wood remains one of the most powerful materials to meet these needs. When you align your skills with current lifestyle trends, you unlock doors to new markets, higher profitability, and long-term business growth. From multifunctional furniture and modular systems to eco-friendly decor and smart integrated designs, every project you build has the potential to serve both aesthetic and practical purposes. The key is intentional design, consistent quality, and understanding what today's customers truly value. As you continue refining your craft, remember that innovation does not require complexity. It requires clarity. Clean lines, thoughtful proportions, durable construction, and emotional storytelling elevate your work from ordinary to extraordinary. Every contemporary design you create is not just a product, it is a solution for modern living. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.